Hey guys, it's Tim with Divergent Elite Detailing of McDonough, Georgia and AskDivergent.com. So welcome to the shop. So I want to talk to us just a minute about price shopping ceramic coating. You know, there's so many thoughts running through my head right now because we get asked the question a lot of time, why do you charge what you charge? Because I found so-and-so that'll do it for this price. Part of me wants to say, okay, well then go there if that's what you want to pay. If pricing is really what you're after and you're trying to save a penny, listen, I get budgeting. I get it. But I'm going to tell you to go Dave Ramsey for just a minute and give you an envelope, put it over here. If you need to save the money to do it, do it. Put an envelope over there, put it in there and go ahead and pay to have it done right the first time. Because I want to show you what we encounter on a regular basis and why I get on this soapbox from time to time. You can view what I'm going to tell you in the next few minutes as somebody that's just trying to be defensive or what have you. I'm not. If I'm anything, I'm trying to go to bat for your dollars. It's your money. And yes, you can spend it however you want to, but why spend it twice? Okay, let me show you what I mean. When you look at this car from here, I want you to see how good it looks. This car was ceramic coated, I think about 2 to 3 weeks ago. Got it back, and I want to kind of show you really what's going on here. So what he paid for was a polish and then a ceramic, $1,500 later, okay? And this is what he gets back. So the goal here was to do a polish. I think it was a single stage polish, don't hold me to that, but he had a polish that he paid for to be done prior to the ceramic coating being installed. So this is $1,500 later. Now he's coming here to get it fixed, because this is what it should look like. Now, a single stage polish, just so you know for reference, is a 40 to 70% scratch reduction. It's a color and shine enhancement, okay? So no, all the scratches are not gone because a single stage polish doesn't do that. Multi-stage does, but this is a single stage polish. So I want you to see the difference. This is the difference a real single stage polish makes. Look at this. Guys, this is $1,500 later, okay? Unless you've got money laying around that's burning a hole in your pocket, you know, let me help you spend your money wisely. Even if you don't come to our shop, if you want to call me and say, hey, what do you think about so-and-so? I'm not going to bash them, but I will rate them based on efficiency and things like that. I want to know you're in trusted hands, okay? But you can see the difference here. So look at this. You can avoid this. If you start pricing things and you hear things $500 cheaper than what you get a quote from us, I promise you, in most cases, something's missing. Whether it be polishing at all or lack of polishing skills because they don't trust their craft, I don't know. I don't know what it is. But if you're willing to take that gamble, then by all means. But I would rather see you spend the money wisely, because now he's back in the boat of having to have it redone. So if you've got a question, can we actually fix something for you? Bring it in. Let's look at it. What we can do in that time period, we'll put it under the lights, we'll inspect it. The way to know the route to what can be done is to have an accurate view of its true current condition so we can map out that course. Stop. Give us a call, 678-310-3153. Come in, let us look at it, let us quote you. And then that way you know, hopefully we can earn your trust. We've done that with hundreds and hundreds of people in the Henry County and surrounding areas, and we'd love to do that for you as well. Help you spend your money wisely. We want to make you the hero of protecting the look and the functionality of your automotive investment. So give us a call, 678-310-3153. Thanks, guys.